It's been a very entertaining afternoon, so I'm happy that everybody's is still awake. We're going to talk about antibody drug conjugate. It's a very famous acronym these days. It's a ligand binding with LCMS analysis to support your drugs. So Tandem Labs support ADCs for a while now for multiple sponsors. The ADC is an antibody that has a cytotoxic agent attached to it with a linker. For the PK analysis, you will need an assay developed for the antibody attached that is attached to the cytotoxic agent or in the free form. And for that, you need to use ELISAs, MSDs, Luminex, and radioamino assays. For the cytotoxic agent, usually it's a small molecule, and for that you will need mass spec or LC-MS. Of course, there's a biologics that means you have to look at the anti-drug antibody that's formed for your drug, and for there you need to look at the ELISAs or MSD assays to support that. Tandem Labs is unique because they have the capacity and the capability to perform the LC-MS analysis as well as the ligand binding analysis to be a one-stop shop for your needs. They're already performing ADC therapeutic projects, so they have the scientific excellence and the expertise in that space. They have senior project managers and scientists that are experienced in pharmaceutical companies. They come from pharma that have worked in the development of these therapeutics, so it's a single point of contact. We do timely communication with you so we can fit your schedule, whether you are in the East Coast or the West Coast. We'll be able to communicate with you in a timely manner. We have a regulatory clean bill of health. We've been inspected by the FDA, MEA routinely, and we have no problems whatsoever. We have extensive automation, so we use the Hamilton as our platform, which means we can run samples at a shorter timelines to meet your needs. We always run metrics on critical milestones and deliverables, so we can constantly improve our performance to meet your needs. We have over 200 scientists supporting bioanalysis for more than 30 years, which means we have depth in both areas, the small molecule and the large molecule. We're backed up by the LabCorp company, which gives us the stability financially to expand our scientific expertise and hire more scientists and automation. Tandem Lab have the experience in the bioanalytical, whether being immunochemistry or LCMS. We have high quality scientific services that we offer to our clients. We have proven performance over and over with our clients, and we get repeat business. The staff is well educated and trained. We do have the technologies that is required to do your projects. We are GLB and CLIA certified. We have 4 locations: the Salt Lake City, West Trenton, New Jersey, RTP, North Carolina, and San Diego. So we have the capacity and multiple sites to be backups. So we do a complex and systematic method development in all sites, and we run almost all spectrums of large molecules, from PK/TK analysis to immunogenicity, biomarkers, and neutralizing assays, whether it being a cell-based or a ligand-binding assays. And we've been doing that for a while, and they have the reputation in the repeat business. In the ligand-binding assay platforms, they have the regular ELISAs, the chemiluminescence ELISAs, mesoscale, Luminex, and the radioamino assays. Also for the ligand binding, they've been performing regular PK assay analysis and cell-based immunogenicity, and they have extensive biomarker experience and offering for the clients. In the LCMS space, we have 39 mass specs, ABI 6500, and multiple of instruments that can support your need in the small molecule and the large molecule LCMS analysis. As far as the GLB services, our core competency has been method development, method validation, and sample analysis. We take your project, whether it is a transfer or a simple running of what you've developed in-house, or we can develop everything from scratch for you to meet your needs.
Thank you, Jamil.